Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. There is another digital SAT math question. Let's solve it. There is a data given for the X and Y column. For X values are 18, 23, and 26, and the Y values are given as 130, 160, 178. For line H, the table shows three values of X and their corresponding values of Y. Line K is the result of translating the line H down 5 units in the XY plane. What is the x-intercept of line K? So we will need to find, we're talking about there is a line in here. We need to find the equation of the line. To find an equation of a line, you will need to find the slope. To find the slope, there is one formula. I can just write it down here. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's say this is x1, this is x2, this is y1 and y2. And let's determine the slope of this given equation. To find the slope, again, I'm going to write substitute y2, 160 for y2. I'm going to substitute 130 for y1 over 23 minus 18. That gives us 30 over 5, which is 6. The slope of the equation is, if you would consider this as a linear equation, and the linear format of an equation is y equals mx plus b, and we would just go ahead and say that we found that the slope is 6. I can go ahead and substitute the value of 6 in this equation to find the value of b. Why do I need to find the value of b? Because I need to determine the given equation, the equation for the line H. So let's use one of the given values in the equation. Let's use x1 and y1. I'm going to substitute the values. 130 is equal to m is the slope, which is 6. We found it. X1 is 18 plus b. So let's multiply 6 and 18. I'm going to write it down a little bit down here. 130 is equal to it's 108 plus b. So we need to subtract 108 from both sides to find the value of b. And you will end up with, when you take away 8 from 10 is 2. We borrowed 1 from here is 2 minus 0 is 2, 0. So b is equal to 22. So our initial equation is, again, then if you will rewrite it as y is equal to 6x plus 22 is the first equation. And what in the second part of the equation, they're saying that line K is the result. So this is our line H. The equation of the line H is this one. I'm just gonna put it in a box. The line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units. If you are bringing it down 5 units in an equation, you will need to take away from the y-intercept point, which is b, the one we just found. So technically, this becomes 6x plus, instead of 22, let me do that calculation in here to show you. Take away 5 from it, you would end up with 17. This is going to be the 17. This is line H again. This is the equation for line K. And they said that what's the x-intercept? any x-intercept, to find any x-intercept, we know that the y value will be 0 in x-intercepts, because that's where the line intersecting with the x-axis, the value will be 0 for the y. Then let's substitute that 6x plus 17. We need to take away 17 from both sides. Let's continue with a different color pen. So negative 17 is equal to 6x. If you will divide both sides by 6, x will become negative 17 over 6. So the x value is negative 17 over 6, and the y value is already given as 0. I mean, we already substituted as 0. So this is our final answer for the specific question. So the right choice is D for the specific question. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your exams. Have a good one. Bye-bye.